What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock options chain analysis. So I'll be taking you over a lot of the data and the sentiment with where the traders are betting on Nvidia's options, and then I'll put a confluence together with the technicals on are these options gonna bring any money home, or are some of those going to go worthless, or which may come to fruition. We'll talk about all of that, what are the possibilities, and if certain options needs to work out, what Nvidia has to do to confirm those if it hasn't done confirmation yet on those. So we'll discuss all of that, and please hit the like and subscribe guys if you found my videos valuable and helpful. And also please note, none of this is any financial advice, it's only for education purposes. I would highly suggest if you can check this video out of mine on Nvidia that I did. This goes over technicals already for this coming week. This will just give you some head start on what we will be discussing with the technicals and putting a confluence together with the options data here. Now, I haven't put the Nvidia's options data right now on a chart like I have done for Tesla already for this coming week. And yeah, that video of actually Tesla options is coming out right after Nvidia's options. So but the reasons I haven't put right now Nvidia's on the chart is because I'm seeing some empty areas. This could be that there's just not much options for these price points, but this could also be due to the data unavailability on Yahoo Finance for this, because I'm seeing on the call side also it's not present. So I'm just gonna see. However, we still have enough data at the time of doing this video that we can go through the sentiment of how things are looking like. So, but something just to keep in mind. Okay, so anyways guys, let's start it off. Now, something, if you have seen another video on Nvidia already on the technicals for this coming week, you already have a lot of good understanding of that, but I just want to quickly surface a couple of things here with you that just so that the foundation is set on the technicals. We are below 20 days moving average, above 50 days moving average. We haven't really broken below the distribution bottom of the Nvidia, so distribution phase hasn't really fully confirmed. However, on hourly interval, we have lost some pivots on Nvidia. We have lost $877 pivot as well, and we have lost the $891 pivot as well, which was a very important pivot that if Nvidia would have held, it was still a continuation to the upside. However, right now, it's not bullish anymore, and well, when I say it's not bullish anymore, there's just more chances of this to go bearish, and as soon as we lose 862, there is just a lot more downside that may come. And in my opinion, it's not bullish as long as it's not going above 891, at least in the technicals. If it can regain above 891 again on Monday, then it will become bullish again right now, but it has lost those pivots, and losing 871 as well has put it in a dire situation. If we again, so 890, 862 and below is a clean break to the downside, again continuation. And if Nvidia goes above 877, then you are seeing if 891 reacts as a rejection. So this is a zone of little bit of choppiness, undecisiveness, and above that will become bullish, but not until then. Okay. So that's the bit of high-level premises. As I said, check this video out if you want to know a little bit more in depth on Nvidia stock analysis here on the technicals. Now, let's go to the options and let's talk through how things are looking like here. So even though in the post-market Nvidia sold off down to 875, we'll use the closing price, which is around 880 during the regular market hours. So where is the spike? There is still good calls. Left side are the calls, guys. Right side are the puts. So we are still seeing $900. There are 18,000 calls options sitting. So that's $800. Oh well, sorry guys. I'm sorry, not $800. That's $900. 18,000. So $900 is not that far away. It's right over here, right? But what Nvidia, is that possible? Will this make money on the call side? We are not in that technical confirmation right now. We are not in that direction of going to $900. We are in a rejection phase, and we are below 891. As long as we are not able to recapture 891, Nvidia is looking much more weaker and more to the downside right now to me. So I don't think $900 is a better call option. If Nvidia can regain above this 200 hours moving average or 891, that could be a possibility, $900. Let's take a look at real quick on 5 minutes actually. Let's see if I can find some other things for it. Now, that's the thing, guys, 891. Let me actually do another thing on my indicator. And if you need access to my tools, guys, links are in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. All right, let it do its thing. And okay, I got some more levels for you that we can watch. Now, guys, yeah, 891 is the only thing I would watch for. If it breaks above that, then possibility back above 891 above is maybe then $900 we can talk about, but nothing right now. I don't think 900 calls is a better option. I mean, I'm just saying where the sentiment, most of the sentiment is, and I don't think it's in the direction or the benefit of the traders betting for $900 calls options. Where is the next little bit of a spike? And that is at 890. Again, look, these are going for Nvidia's options are expensive, guys. You can see they're going for quite a lot of money here, right? This is like 16, almost 1600. Okay, that's quite a lot. But anyways, is this a possibility? 890, guys, that's sure. Well, but the structure again is not looking like on the call side right now. As I said, Nvidia needs to get above first 877 and then 891. But you can then expect, yes, you will make good money if it can get above 891, because 890 call is not that it's just going to hit 891 and you're going to be making a lot of money on 890 calls. It's not like that, okay? You need a price to go up and a little bit higher to make any money out of your premium, the down payment, and everything that you have put down. So right now in the structure, to put it simply, guys, Nvidia is not looking great to me on the calls side right now, speaking about that, okay? Even these calls is not looking great to me. Let's talk about the puts though. So we have $850 puts, 11,000, still a good high open interest at 850. Let's talk about 850 right over here. It's very likely next week expirations, which is the data I'm covering with you guys, is for the next week expirations. That's 19th of April. So that means that, well, 850 is not too far away. All this big interest that is sitting at 850 is not that bad. If you want to go a little bit cheaper, well, no, that's sorry, not cheaper, expensive, 855. So let's see, 850, right? And let's go back there. There's only one thing sitting in between is, this $862 level. The thing is that if Nvidia breaks below $862 in this week, guys, it's not just 850 that is possible. There is much more downside. 834, 825, all this will come. So you can even look at the options cheaper and a little bit lower if you want to reduce your risk, but make sure that out of these moves, for example, to make any money on $840, you need to have price go at least 835 to even break even. But yeah, that again, yeah, so it's not that bad as well, 850 or 845. But yes, put option 850, these where the high sentiment is, I think most of them would make money. But let's take a look at other ones. All these are possible. All these put options, in my opinion, are possible. I mean, they're expensive as close as you get, but these are already in the money in the post market. But it's all about risk to reward ratio, right? Like 870 put options, even though they're expensive, but they are very likely gonna make money. Again, it's right over there, guys. It's right over there that as we continue to break the 862 is down to the next level. Now the thing is that if rebound comes, you can get cheaper puts options. That one thing you can see. So let's talk about that scenario. So right now some of these puts option, even up here, 872, 875, they're expensive right now, right? However, if Nvidia starts to go up, right, those options gonna get cheaper. So definitely what you can also do, again, just my opinion, you can do whatever you want to do. If you see rejection at 891 and things starts to come down again, and let's say rejects 200 hours moving average, starts heading lower again, Since in the rebound, those options would get a little bit cheaper, even closer to this up here, they would make better sense than getting the ones which are way out, right? So yeah, so you can use rebound in your benefit on the put side, but I think puts would come out better going into this week unless something again changes as for where the price action is right now, guys. Okay, as where the price action is right now. So right now things are in the direction and the benefit of puts. I'm not seeing much call game for the calls unless Nvidia regains 891 and above. So right now that's not the case. If you want to, again, like I trade with the shares, but options data helps me in understanding, okay, where the most traders are betting the money, and then I'm just sharing my opinion if most of them are going to make money or not. So in my opinion, most of the calls holders like 18,000 open interest on $900, 950, 14,000, these are gonna go worthless. They're gonna lose their money, their shirt, their bank accounts, everything. And puts, they will make money. In my opinion, 800 is sitting as 13,000. I'm not quite sure if 800 is, I mean, sure, there is possibility. I'm not saying there's not possibility. As soon as you lose this distribution box, $800 is very likely possibility, like a flash, very quick possibility. Yeah, so guys, I think right now the things are in the direction of the puts. Okay, cool. Okay, dokie, guys. Well, that's it for Nvidia's options analysis for this particular video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and also my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.